Where can people pick up your book, purchase it, and learn more about it? Where can they go?
I have the website's the easiest place. So it's just excellentleader.com. Everything they need is there. Also training courses there for people. They can do that on their own. I'm trying to get larger organizations interested in taking a package deal so that they can just make it available for all their employees, actually. So my idea is to basically get people not so much to read the book, but to practice what's written in it.
The way of the old leadership has to die, or will not, or I don't see the corporation surviving.
I think it will die a natural death. Just simply, London Business School crunched the numbers. What did they discover? People who not only preach corporate social responsibility, but practice it, they do 3 to 4% better on the bottom line every year. That means it's not bad for the bottom line. No, it's actually good for the bottom line. So we're not looking at it that way. It's a no-brainer. Why should you do this? Not because you're scared you're going to die as a company if you don't do this, but do it for a positive reason. Do it because you want to make more on the bottom line.
All right. I appreciate it, Markus. Thank you.